Pwede na. Anyway, I would like to thank everyone. Sobrang yung feeling ko after the pageant. Sobrang pa sa nanalo for the love and yung positive feedback ng mga tao. Not only of the Filipinos, but of all, even the girls, even my co-candidates, they were saying that I did really well and they thought that I would go further. But then, you know, there are just things that happens in our life that we have to accept. I mean, this is not, I don't consider this as a failure, but if this is a failure for other people, there can't be any more failure that I can't face, I won't surpass. Kasi I've gone through so much in life, and this is one of the things that I would treasure, you know? And the whole experience, sabi ko nga kay Mrs. Araneta when we were in Miami, sabi ko, I can't even express how thankful I am to you with this experience that you're giving every Filipina. I would like to share this journey to every Filipina who's dreaming to represent the country in Miss Universe kasi sobrang overwhelming. The whole experience, you're really gonna learn a lot. Yung growth mo as a person. Kaya kayo girls, work harder talaga to get to get what you want in life. Pagdating mo doon, the love of the people, of the Latinos, kasi Miami is a Latino country. They call it the Venezuela. There are so many Venezuelan. But they appreciate Filipinas so much when we do parades, when we go out in public, they would always cheer for Filipina! Bella! Ganyan sila kasi sobrang nakikita nila yung dedication natin, na alam nila na every year we always send the best of our country. And kaya sobrang excited sila ma-meet kung sino yung Philippine representative every time lumalabas kami, where's Filipina? Tapos Bellissima! Ganyan sila lagi. Kasi nakikita nilang competitive tayo, hindi tayo yung, alam mo yun, yung in-ignore lang in the competition. And every day of my life in Miami, I really enjoyed it. I made so many friends. I think I made 70 plus close friends in the whole competition. And I really did get their contacts. Sabi ko, I will keep in touch even after the competition. And so I made it a friendly competition for everyone. They don't see me as, you know, kailangan taasan ko ng kilay to because she's a tough competition. No. We've been helping each other backstage for all friends, and the competition starts when we step out the stage. So kayo girls, make friends with each other, even though isang corona yung pinaglalabanan nyo, but then again, after the competition, there's still life. So make friends. And